Use gentle, low-pressure water and careful technique to clean air conditioning condenser fins without bending or damaging them. When cleaning condenser fins, start by turning off power at the service disconnect or breaker to ensure safety. Remove loose debris by hand or with a soft bristle brush using light strokes along the fin direction so you do not bend the metal. Rinse using a garden hose with a nozzle set to wide spray or a utility sprayer on a low setting, and keep the spray at least 12 inches away from the fins to lower impact force. Work from the inside of the coil outward when possible so trapped dirt is pushed away from the fins and not deeper into the condenser. If oil or stubborn grime is present, apply a foaming coil cleaner labeled for microchannel or aluminum coils. Allow dwell time per instructions, then rinse gently following the same inside-out approach. If fins are slightly bent, use a fin comb matched to the fin spacing and carefully straighten a few fins at a time, aligning tool teeth with the fins and pulling gently in a single controlled pass. The most common mistake is using a pressure washer or high-pressure nozzle, which will easily bend fins and reduce airflow, so always use low-pressure water and keep distance when rinsing. Another frequent issue is aggressive scrubbing with wire brushes or abrasive pads that scratch and deform fins. Swap to soft brushes and brush only in the fin direction and avoid circular motions. A third problem is forcing debris inward while rinsing from the outside, in which traps dirt and encourages corrosion. To prevent that, rinse from the underside or inside outward and follow with another gentle outside rinse if needed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who list services and availability, so we can help you compare options and find someone to handle fin repairs or professional coil cleanings. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share tips, ask questions, and post before and after experiences so contractors and homeowners can learn from real examples.